The forum is open to share your feedback. It could be about this event, about the class, group class, how you feel, how was your music journey with Preta Music Foundation. Feedback from parents and as well as from students are welcome.
I would like to give a feedback. Hi all, I am Salai Kalanidhi. I feel proud to be part of a KBAF. In the beginning, I thought Carnatic is very difficult, but Akka has incorporated all the fun ways of teaching and made us think anyone can learn music. Actually, I made so much mistakes while practicing this song, but Akka spared her time for me in rectifying my mistakes. And even when I made so much mistakes, 6 to 10 times, she repeatedly sent me audio with lot of patience, due to which I gained more confidence. And I was like, "Come on, Kalanidhi, don't give up. You should do it." All the credits goes to Pavitra Ka. Really, thank you, Ka. Thanks a lot for all your efforts and excellent way of teaching.
I too enjoy teaching you all.
Thank you, Ka.
Niveta, a few words from you.
I would actually like agree with Kalanidhi because we usually don't have time, and half the time we used to miss the classes, but still you never scold us and you used to teach us. You were really patient with us. I guess that helped us to practice a lot and give us the better performance.
Good. I wish you all become a masters one day.
Sure, Akka.
Sure.
With your blessings.
Oh, I'm not a person to bless. Only the Almighty Lord can bless you all. I can facilitate you and help you in learning music. In other ways also, I can help you. Yes, Krishita?
Just wanted to say that I've never seen a really good teacher like you before, Padma.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
Hi Pavitra, this is Raghuvan's mom. I just want to share that you have a lot of patience and the feedback every time. As many of them told, you don't show face or your anything of that sort when someone makes a mistake. So that actually encourages anybody to make a mistake and learn. That's a very nice thing, a very good quality of yours, and you should be very proud of yourself for that.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Encourages me a lot and it makes me more responsible. Thanks for your good words, Kritika.
Thank you.
I'm Aisha's mom.
Hi, Shubha.
Hi, Pavitra. It's really, I'm so proud of Aishu, and you're making each and every children, although the children is of different abilities and they have, you are making them in each and every lesson. So you just put so much effort to make them learn utmost care. So it's such a wonderful thing from you. So all the time, whenever we send a video recording or audio recording, whatever time it is, you just keep on responding immediately. So I was like, okay, it will be like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock for you in the morning. At the time also, you just it's amazing.
Thank you. Actually, I have a routine practice time that is 4 a.m. in the morning. Then I'll have US classes. So
Okay.
I'll be awake by 4 a.m. So if I get some message that time, I'll be replying.
Thank you so much for all your feedback and making the children learn
Thanks.
the music.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, Nadia, you want to say something?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Nadia's friend. Actually, she in beginning classes இருக்கவே எனக்கு நிறைய சொல்லுவா. ஸோ அதனால இருந்து எனக்கு மியூசிக் மேல ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா இருக்கு. Hello. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yes, Nadia, we can hear you. Come on.
எஸ் மேம், நிறைய கேம்ஸ்லாம் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தீங்க, ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா இருந்துச்சு. அந்த ஸ்லைட் சிங்கிங்லாம் வந்துட்டு நானும் கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். நல்லா இருந்துச்சு மேம் கேம்ஸ் எல்லாமே.
Very good. One of our motto is to inspire people who are totally new to Carnatic music. They should know what it is, and they should
Yes.
be inspired and they should also learn. So music should get spread all over the globe. So good that you've got inspired from Nivedita.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you all. So we've reached the end of our event. It's all a resultant of great teamwork. On behalf of Kreta Music Foundation team, I extend my sincere thanks to all our students who have put a lot of effort in practicing and presenting, and their parent friends who have supported them throughout their journey. I thank our chief guest, Shri Harish Bavsar, and his daughters, Isha, the elder one, for making this event more colorful. I also extend my sincere thanks to our mentor, Sri Vidwan Ganesh, and all the viewers of this event and well wishers who stood for us. Special thanks to Ms. Niveta, Mrs. Kalanidhi, and Mrs. Revati Vasan, who worked together throughout the event. Thank you, one and all. And we shall meet 7:30 p.m. If you are willing to participate, means you can be a spectators, as I said earlier. 7:30 p.m. we are meeting again for the students from US and as well as from India. Okay. So again, thank you one and all. We'll again meet in some other event like this. Keep practicing. So next year we'll be again conducting Budding Maestro Season 3. But in between, we have planned to create few more events. So I wish you'll enjoy those too. Okay, wish you all good luck. Bye.
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 Bye, children.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.